Hello, dear listener. I am grateful you are here with me today. Please subscribe so you can stay close for the next story and tell me in the comments which city or country you are listening from. It always touches my heart to see how far these moments reach. Enjoy the listen. The night felt like a silent ocean holding its breath as she stood at the edge of everything she once believed was safe. A faint tremor ran through her hands, not from fear, but from the memory of all the moments that had tried to silence her spirit. She closed her eyes and breathed slowly, wishing the darkness would whisper a reason to keep walking forward, yet knowing in her heart that she had already made her choice long before she arrived at this place. Her name was Alina, a woman shaped by storms. She never asked for, a woman born with a heart too gentle for a world that often pushed her to the ground. She had grown up believing that kindness was a shield, but she learned too early that kindness sometimes attracted those who fed on fragile souls. Her childhood held moments of warmth, yet underneath that warmth lay shadows of voices that told her she was not enough, that she was too quiet, too soft, too breakable to survive the weight of life. As she stepped forward, the wind brushed past her face like a reminder that even storms move and change and soften over time. She had spent years trapped inside walls that were not made of bricks, but of expectations and demands and sacrifices that slowly erased the sound of her own voice. For too long she lived in a home that felt like a cage. For too long she believed pain was something she deserved because someone she trusted taught her to accept hurt as love. The days turned into years and the weight on her heart grew heavier until she started forgetting the shape of her own dreams. She worked quietly, ate quietly, breathed quietly until quietness became the only language she remembered. But there was one night when the silence was shattered. One night when she realized that pain had taken everything from her except the one thing it could never touch: her will to rise. Alina still remembered that moment. The room was dim, a flickering bulb trembling like her heartbeat. The voice she feared thundered again, but this time something within her shifted. There was no dramatic explosion, no sudden burst of courage. It was only a soft whisper inside her, a whisper that said enough. That whisper became a spark. That spark became a flame. That flame became the courage she needed to walk out through the door she once believed she could never open. Now, as she stood beneath the open sky, she felt the echo of that moment wrap around her like a cloak of quiet strength. She did not look back because she had already lived behind her for too many years. She stepped into the world with nothing but a bag of clothes, the breath in her lungs, and a promise she made to herself. She would survive. She would rebuild. She would become someone her past never allowed her to be. Life outside was not gentle. Freedom itself felt heavy because it came with the truth that no one was coming to save her. But she did not need saving. She needed rediscovery. She needed time. She needed the space to remember who she was before fear became her shadow. Each morning she woke with uncertainty, yet she pushed through it. She found a small job at a quiet cafe. She stood behind the counter brewing coffee for strangers who never knew the battles hidden behind her smile. Some days she felt strong enough to breathe deeply. Other days she had to remind herself that healing does not move in straight lines. It wanders. It pauses. It flows. It breaks. It returns. But it always continues. She spent nights alone listening to the hum of the world outside her window. She learned to enjoy the softness of her solitude. She learned to speak kindly to herself. She learned to trust her own hands. The same hands that once trembled with fear now shaped the future she refused to let go of. One evening she sat near a river, her old journal resting on her lap. For years she had filled its pages with pain, but now she wanted to fill it with hope. She wrote slow, gentle words, each one lifting her like a feather carried by the wind. She wrote about her past, not to relive it, but to let it go. She wrote about dreams she thought she had lost. She wrote about the woman she wanted to become, the woman her younger self would look at with shining pride. It was not easy. Healing was a road with no map. Some days she walked forward. Some days she slipped back. But every step was hers and hers alone. Every breath she took belonged to her future, not her past. And then one morning, as she opened the cafe, a stranger walked in. A woman with tired eyes but a brave posture. She asked for tea, her voice gentle and low. As Alina handed her the warm cup, their eyes met, and in that one moment Alina recognized something familiar. That quiet heaviness. That silent ache. That invisible strength hidden beneath wounds no one else could see. The woman paused, then whispered, "Thank you. Not for the tea, but for the kindness." And Alina realized something powerful. She had become the kind of person she once needed. A small light in someone else's darkness. A reminder that gentle souls can carry the heaviest stories and still rise with grace. Her life kept changing in small, beautiful ways. She learned to laugh again. She learned to trust her steps again. She learned that healing is not the absence of pain, but the freedom to move through it. She discovered new friends, new directions, new pieces of herself she once believed were lost forever. Years later, when she looked back, she did not see a shattered girl she once was. She saw a warrior, a survivor, a woman who walked through fire without letting it burn away her softness. And now she stands again beneath the open sky, not as the woman who escaped her past, but as the woman who built a future from her own courage. The night that was meant to end her story became the night she began to write a new one. A story of bravery. A story of rebirth. A story of a woman who chose herself even when the world tried to break her. Her journey is a living truth carved into the wind. Pain tried to silence her. Life tried to bend her. But she rose. She kept rising. And she will keep rising. Because her soul was never meant to stay hidden in fear. It was meant to shine beyond every shadow she ever walked through.